Clearing your search history on HBO Max can help maintain your privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open HBO Max. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you are on the main screen, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and select it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Step 4. Find Search History. Scroll through the settings options until you find Privacy or Search History. Click on this section to view your search history details. Step 5. Clear Search History. Look for the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure all your previous searches are removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on HBO Max. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your viewing experience and keep your preferences private.